Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You are most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. Spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day here in my class and be a fluent English speaker very shortly. Today I will read 2 beautiful stories with 2 beautiful lessons for all of us. Try to follow me. Yes, with all your attention. Now the stories, but you have to wait a bit till the end to know the names and the morals. Let's start. The first story. A hawk long had his eyes on a flock of pigeons, but no matter how often he had swooped down upon them from the sky, they always had been able to reach their cote in safety. Thinking that it might be his shadow that they had spied, he waited for a cloudy day for his next attack, but still no avail. At length, the hungry hawk decided to use craft instead of attack. From the top of a nearby dead tree, he called down to the pigeons, "Why do you prefer this life of constant fear or anxiety when, if you would make me your king, I could patrol the sky and make you safe from the attack that could be made upon you?" The foolish pigeons, believing the hawk's interest in their welfare to be sincere, called him to the throne as their king and protector. But no sooner was he established there than he issued an order that every day one pigeon would have to be sacrificed for his dinner. The name of the story: The Hawk and the Pigeons. The morals: they who voluntarily put themselves under the power of a tyrant deserve what fate they receive. The second story: a boy playing in the fields one day was stung in the hand by a nettle. Running home to his mother, he cried, "See what the nasty weed did to me. I barely touched it when it buried its pickers in my hand." "It was because you touched it lightly," replied the boy's mother, "that it stung you. The next time, dear son, that you play with a nettle, grasp it tightly and it will do you no harm." The name of the story: The Boy and the Nettle. Moral: do boldly what you do at all.